Learn to cook delicious stuffed lamb peppers. Heat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. These are the ingredients we're going to use today. Place 1 pound of ground lamb in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of Ras El Hanout spice. This spice blend is from North Africa. It contains a blend of warm spices like cumin, cinnamon, and coriander. Add 1 whole egg. Add 1/4 cup heavy cream. I am adding 1/4 cup of almond flour. Add 1 teaspoon seasoning salt. Add 1 tablespoon onion flakes. Add 2 tablespoons fresh mint chopped finely. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Mix the ingredients together well. Cut 2 large peppers in half. You can use any color of pepper. Cut out the center so it's going to be a nice vessel. When the peppers are cleaned, add them to a baking sheet. Stuff the peppers generously with the lamb mixture. Place in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. Remove them from the oven when done. Let them rest for about 5 minutes. Serve with Tzatziki sauce. These stuffed lamb peppers are keto-friendly and packed with bold flavor, and when you add the fresh tzatziki on top, it cuts through the richness and brings the whole dish into balance. Watch my next video for my delicious tzatziki recipe. For 100 more easy recipes, get my cookbook, The Balanced Plate, now available in stores. Also subscribe for more video recipes. Happy cooking!